Howdy folks, how are we doing? It's a Thursday evening and I've got a nice little LED light to show you. Now, like me and Mucker said on many occasions, we get stuff sent to us all the time. Can you check this out? Can you have a look at this? Can you review this? A lot of it is, let's be honest, crap. But this Olight Seeker 3 Pro is a decent bit of kit, so I thought I'd share it with you. Even in the box, you can tell just by this box that it's a decent bit of kit. You know, some thought and attention to detail has gone into it. So it's a lovely little box. Thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, Olight team. Simple, but just a nice little touch. So then, top of the box, we've got the instructions. Tell you what to do. You've got to remove the little plastic bit that stops the battery from working. While it's being shipped. It's got magnetic charging, and it's got a sort of special delivery lock on it. So anyway, forget all that. Let's have a look at this puppy. So it comes with a little holder that goes on your belt. Nice little touch. And again, heavy bit of kit. So press that button. That releases the little connector. Out comes a torch, and like I say, it's a heavy bit of kit, which normally means quality in my book. So right, let's do what they say. Unscrew the battery cap. So, oh, there we go. There is the simple. That's the little bit of plastic that prevents the battery from turning on whilst it's being shipped. So put that back there. Right, now that's the charging port there on the back. So nice and simple. Again, nice thank you in the bottom of the box. I say it's a sort of box that you'd expect a phone to come in. That's how there's a few quid's worth in the box lot. Not that you're paying for the box, but you know what I mean. But it's that sort of quality. You know me, I love I love an LED light. If we can get into this, there we go. That you can't. Yeah, see that? That's like that top end phone stuff in my opinion. Really nice cable. It really is. So we're gonna whip that off with my chunky fingers. Get that plugged in. That should then just go boom, straight on there. Simple as. So we'll get this charged up, and like I say, it's a Thursday evening, so it's our turn to go and check the cows at night. So this is going to be perfect for that job, isn't it? Right, so we've pushed the food up for the cows. We've now got to go and check the heifers, dry cows, and of course Reggie the bull. So let's have a look at this Olight Seeker 3 Pro. Get me old, can you see that? My old holster. So just push the little button. That comes like that. There we go. Sports fans. Right, so now you'll see I'm pressing the button at the minute and nothing's happening. That's because that's too easy to just turn that on by mistake. So what you just do, you just twiddle the knob quickly, and there you go. We've got some battery. So yeah, it looks fairly bright, doesn't it? This is in its lowest setting at the minute. So like I say, you just use that little thumb screw there, the little blue bit. Just rotate that and you'll see it's getting brighter and brighter. It's blimey, on camera looks blooming good anyway. But it's, it's good if you're just sort of working, by your feet or whatever. That's perfectly acceptable. And it lasts for about 15 hours on this setting. Actually, yeah, you can see me now. About 15 hours on this setting. So let's have a look, see what we can see. So there's some Just about see some cows in there, can't you? Well, let's up the power. We're going to probably blind some cows now. Is that full power? I think that is possibly, it might be full power, I'm not sure. But I mean, look at it. That is as bright as hell. So now my job is really easy. We can just wander along, make sure everyone's all right. No one's got trapped or anything. No one's. These are the dry cows. So dry cows, but not close to calving. So it's very rare you'll see anything in here calf. We have had it before with 33 who had her triplets in here way before she was due. Let's stick over the gate and see what the sort of range is. Yeah, I mean that's blooming good. It's really good. I mean, obviously, I'm going to just turn it down a minute so you can see me. Obviously, you can get that sort of performance with, you know, other torches. I've got a torch at home that's got, you know, similar performance, but it's blooming massive. And this is just handheld. You know, it just fits in your pocket or in its little holster. So, yeah, like the one I've got at home is, I don't know, about a foot long. Like, it's massive. So it's not, you know, it's not portable. You can't carry it on you. There's Reggie. There's Reggie. There he is, just snuggled up with his girls, all snuggled together. So this is a great little torch. It really is. And the folks at Olight have got a sale on now, and it ends on the 17th, end of the 17th of December. And it's about 50% off. But also, if you look in the description of the video, you'll find an exclusive code called George8. Now you put that in and you'll get an extra 8% off the cost of the light, which is, oh, it's not bad. And like I say, it's a blooming good light. It's going to be sticking in my pocket all the time, just especially during the winter. And good little gift with Christmas coming up. So like I say, if you're thinking of getting one, use the code George8 to get an extra 8% off the cost of one of these lovely little torches, and you'll be impressed. And like I say, when I review stuff, I don't review crap, and this is certainly not crap. I wouldn't be telling you if it was good if it wasn't. So trust me, this is a good little torch. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that little vid, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!